Good morning, students. So in the previous class we discussed about gaining and sacrificing ratio. Today we are going to start new topic, that is accounting treatment of goodwill. So let's take an example to clear the concept first. Here you can see there are two partners, Ajay and Vijay. Suppose their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Okay, they both are partners in a business and their old profit sharing ratio is 3:2. In future, they decided to share their profits equally. Okay, equal means 1:1. So first we need to calculate what? We need to calculate sacrificing ratio, because yes, if the ratio is changed, so there must be one gaining partner and the other one is a sacrificing partner. Now we need to know who is sacrificing and who is gaining first. So here we have taken the formula of sacrificing ratio. The formula is old share minus new share. So first of all we need to calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio of Ajay. Old share of Ajay is 3:2 means 3/5 and his new share is 1:1 means 1/2. So 3/5 minus 1/2. The answer is 1/10. In the same manner we calculate for Vijay. His old share was 2/5 and new share is 1/2. So 2/5 minus 1/2, the answer is minus 1/10. And I told you that while calculating sacrificing ratio, if a share comes in negative, that partner is a gaining partner. Okay, that partner is a gaining partner. So here you can see that Ajay is a sacrificing partner and Vijay is a gaining partner. Now Ajay won't sacrifice for free of cost. Okay, why would he sacrifice for free? He would ask for some compensation for his sacrifice. The sacrifice which has been made by him, he would ask for some compensation. So the compensation paid by the gaining partner. Here who is the gaining partner? Vijay. So the compensation paid by the gaining partner to the sacrificing partner is goodwill. As you can see on the screen, I have made this. So this money, this compensation which is given by the gaining partner to the sacrificing partner is termed as goodwill, or you can say premium for goodwill. Okay. So that is the concept of goodwill. So how much compensation the gaining partner will pay to the sacrificing partner? So here is the formula for that. Amount of compensation payable equals to value of firm's goodwill multiplied by gained profit share. Okay, so this is a formula of compensation payable. Let's take one example. Suppose the value of goodwill is given rupees 1 lakh. Okay, and just now we have calculated who is the sacrificing partner and gaining partner. So here who is the gaining partner? Vijay is the gaining partner. Now Vijay will have to pay rupees 10,000 to Ajay as compensation. How we got this 10,000 as compensation? You can see we have goodwill how much? 1 lakh, and the ratio which we are getting is 1/10. That is the gain part. So 1 lakh multiplied by 1/10, you will get 10,000. So this is the compensation, or you can say goodwill. The other name is premium for goodwill, which is to be paid to the sacrificing partner by the gaining partner. Okay. So in this class, we are going to discuss the accounting treatment of goodwill, various cases. So you can see the first case, when goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account. So students, for this case, we need to take the previous example. In the last class, we discussed about the compensation, how the compensation given to the sacrificing partner. Okay, So let's take the same example. Ajay and Vijay were partners. Their ratio was changed. So we calculated sacrificing ratio. While calculating sacrificing ratio, what we found? That Vijay was a gaining partner, whereas Ajay was a sacrificing partner. Their share was 1 by 10th. Ajay's shares and Vijay's share was 1 by 10th. One was sacrificing while the other was gaining. So the goodwill that time we took 1 lakh. So the compensation which Ajay would be getting was rupees 10,000. Yes, 1 by 10th part of 1 lakh is 10,000. So what the company needs to do in such type of cases, the company needs to pass a journal entry for that. So here, what is the first case when goodwill is adjusted through partners capital account? So company will pass this journal entry, which is gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. Here the term current account, I will tell you the use of this term later. Here we focus on only our journal entry. Okay, so here what is the entry? Gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. What does it mean? The gaining partner, we will take the amount from gaining partners account and will add this amount to sacrificing partners account. So in the previous question, who was the gaining partner? Yes, Vijay was the gaining partner and Ajay was the sacrificing partner. That means Vijay will compensate Ajay rupees 10,000. So we need to debit whose account? Gaining partner's account will be debited as he is paying the amount. So gaining partner's account will be debited and sacrificing partner's account will be credited as he is receiving the amount. So understood the concept? So what is the case? In case 1, when goodwill is adjusted through partners capital account, if it is written in the question, it is adjusted through partners capital account, you need to pass this entry. And what is the entry? Gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. How will you calculate the amount part? The total value of the goodwill multiplied by gain share we need to take, then we will get this compensation amount. Okay, now